this is Play-Doh channel, and this is the house right now. So yeah,
That's my kitchen right there. And
this candy cane is very weird.
I know, Els brought it. Living room, very fabulous. My great-grandfather actually made this clock.
It doesn't work though.
No.
Because it is currently daytime.
And broken. Okay. I love Roblox actually. And in the future, guys, I might actually post a video
Of Roblox. If you like Roblox,
watch that channel. Watch that video in the future. Okay, so
this is our first video, so we are very new.
we are very new. We have 0 subscribers, guys. Because we just started. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside.
So also yesterday, we have a 2-day weekend. Hey.
2 weeks.
2
Actually.
weeks, not 2 days.
What are you talking about? Okay. And then this is my side yard over here.
It has a little fireplace thing.
Chairs. Anna. Anna. And then-
I wasn't picking my nose, I was only rubbing it.
And then go over this little fence here.
So yeah. Where's your fairy house?
Oh. Okay.
So guys, right now we have a really big problem. We have a fairy house and
I don't want to touch it because it might be wet.
she has a fairy house and it disappeared. But also she has a jacuzzi.
I do, and it's great. And I still might do something.
Where's the jacuzzi? We were gonna go in it last night, but no. So
My
yeah.
stinky father. Father's fault.
Make sure to
By the way, you're on my mom's phone.
always watch our videos.
Sometimes she will
Make sure
not
if you
be
want to
here.
find any of these videos,
She will not.
Play-Doh channel.
Yes. But we still haven't made.
Okay, people. Now, the gate. The moment we've all been waiting for. The beautiful, luxurious gate.
Hold on. Come here. Come
Now
here.
you're getting a fast tour of the house.
Well, we're gonna go to the front yard.
Fast tour of the house? Like a rewind, I guess. Baby, wait. Still doing this fast tour? If you didn't see any of this, if you just joined our channel, then don't leave, please.
Please. Okay.
Here's the front yard.
We're currently.
You can really tell that it is daytime because we are filming a YouTube video, so
In the morning.
yeah.
This is my luxurious house. That's my mom's car.
You were gonna say cafe, wow.
Right there. That's my mom's car.
I stepped on something funky like you did. Well, yeah. Now we will be coming into the front door, I guess.
Yes. So, if you guys want to come to my house, just close the gate first, and then open the red door. Ooh, it's cold.
Listen to Sydney and Bree.
Yes. Yeah, I don't want to show them.
Okay then. I'll go to
TV. Luxurious
TV.
TV.
I'll keep doing it. You go tell them that we have a YouTube. Okay, so yeah. Still the same thing. They already saw the fireplace. The very, 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 very interesting water. And then there's also the wreath. So yeah.
Wreath.
So that's all for today. Thanks. Bye bye.
Subscribe and ring the bell every time we post a new video.
Bye bye.